Hello and welcome back to Marshmallows and Toast. My name is Gabby. I hope you're having an absolutely wonderful day. And today I want to show you how to go from a worn out soccer mom to a goth queen. So firstly, I'm going to take all this makeup off my face and then I'm going to put a link up here, I believe. I think it's up here. And you can click on that to go see my skincare routine and my skin prep and stuff like that. Now, I know that you've absolutely definitely clicked on the video up there. So we're going to start off with the Rimmel Fix and Perfect Pro Primer and just pop that all over our face. Am I doing that professional thing where they smile the whole time that they're applying products or spraying setting spray on their face and like not going or going? Because I swear to God, every single face I make when I wear makeup is not attractive, and I'm trying this whole smiling, doing the Barbie thing, trying to look cute. So please, if you know how to if you have mastered that, let me know in the comments below. Send me links to your Instagram so I can see you and watch you and learn from you. Thank you. And now we gotta move on to foundation. So what I'm gonna do is, because I want to be bougie but I can't afford to be bougie, I'm going to use a sample of the MAC. I have a sample of the MAC Studio Fix foundation in NW13. That was the match for my skin tone. So I'm gonna dot that all over my face and then with my damp beauty blender just dab it in. I'm gonna be honest with you, oh my god, I am a ghost. I swear this is my skin tone in real life. Next we're on to the concealer. So for concealer I'm going to be using the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in NW20. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use my finger to pat this in under my eye instead of using the beauty blender because it soaks up product. To set the under eyes and a lot of my face, I'm going to be using this Essence All About Matte Fixing Powder. Okay, I'm going to preface this with my contour in this video is not going to be any better than it was before. So I'm using this one here from my MAC Pro palette. These are all individual singles, whatever. So I think this was like 22 as far as I remember, 22 or 24. And instead of cutting a line, I'm gonna just gently brush it in here. What a lot of people do is they put the line here following it, which is okay. Like that should be where the deepest one is because that's the deepest shadow. But all along from say the top of the cheekbone all the way down to that line, that's what I contour. And then I make like this the deepest and then kind of fade it up. Gotta contour them tensions, bitches. Next we're on to the blush. So for the blush, what I'm going to do is, because I'm not sure what would go better, I'm using a very purple lipstick. So what I'm gonna do is go in with the peachy blush. I feel like that would look better. And then I dust that along here. I don't like putting it here because I feel like it emphasizes it and gives me big giant bulbous kitty cheeks, whereas this kind of elongates my face a bit, and sometimes I bring it up a bit here and give it a bit of that sun-kissed glow. For the bronze, I'm going to use this, which is a really lovely soft buttery bronzer. As you can see, I've hit pan and it's kind of broken. By kind of I mean it's broken. It is the Sun Club Matte Bronzing Powder. This one's great. I get it in light because I am a pale ass motherfucker and I still feel like this is too dark. So I'm going to use the same brush I used to contour and just swirl it around. I always tap off nearly all of the product because I really don't want to overdo on the bronzer. Look at me, I have colour in my face again. I'm not a corpse. Yay! I always find it so hard to do this side of my face. Like I used to be ambidextrous, but I'm not anymore. Because I was a weird kid and I taught myself to be ambidextrous. And now I'm just not because I don't have the patience to teach my left hand how to do things. So yes, I think that is sufficiently bronzed without going overboard. Whenever I like bronze up here, by the way, I don't bronze here. I like bronze to create an oval shape. So I'll bronze in this receding hairline gap here. I don't know what else to call it. And then I bronze here. I try to go around here. And then obviously the tensions, because you gotta turn them tensions into like 4 or 5. Shall we move on to the eyeballs? Probably. I'm gonna zoom you in. Oh, can you see me? Is this Hi. It's my face. Oh god. So I've set it to manual focus, so it shouldn't go out of focus. For the eyes, I'm not sure what I want to do. But first things first, some primer. This is the BH Studio Pro Waterproof Eye Primer. This is the only thing I have found that makes my eyeshadow last more than 30 fucking minutes. Because every time I put it on, it doesn't matter whether it's MAC, whether it's matte, whether it's shimmery, whether it's NYX, whether it's pennies, it doesn't matter where the fuck it's from or how expensive it is going to crease because my eyelids are oily as fuck, simultaneously very, very dry and uncomfortable and painful. So, this boy, it's cheap, but it's super worth it, I promise. So, I think the first thing I'm going to do is brows because you gotta frame that face. The colour I'm going to use is this one by MAC. It's a brown that matches my root colour of my hair, so it is perfect for my brows because as you can see, they're pretty non-existent. Now look, most people start by outlining it, but I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. So I'm going to fill in the middle and then slowly carve it out, and I think that will get a better and more natural result. Or at the very least will look slightly less shit than what I can achieve by myself. They exist. These caterpillars, they're here to stay for the foreseeable future. That's okay. I'm going to throw on really dramatic lashes and hopefully that will cover it up. Onto the eyeball. Obviously because I am super extra. I was going to use my Saint Sinner palette, but I have it all set up there all nice and pretty and I don't want to move it. So instead what I'm going to use is my Zodiac palette because that has basically every colour you need. So this is it. It's absolutely beautiful. Let's zoom in. Oh god, that is as zoomed in as it does. Okay, this beautiful bitch here is the Zodiac palette. I'm gonna take this insert out. My mirror just fell and oh dear, I just spilled foundation on my leg. I have it on the back of my hand. My life is a mess. Everything's going badly. So I think the first thing to do is to pop an eyeshadow all over the lid. So for that I'm going to use the matte Virgo in the same way that I'm a virgin because I'm saving myself for Jesus. I only do anal sex and only on Saturday nights. That is a joke, by the way. So yes, I'm gonna use this one to pop it all over my lid. So I'm just fluffing it into the crease a little bit and keeping it focused on the outer corner here and keeping the pastel wash here along the lid. Now I'm going to take some darker purple and focus it on the outer corner. So now I'm going in with the matte Cancer colour, focusing this on the outer V so you can do a smoky eye. I'm going to use a clean fluffy brush to kind of wipe and blend it into the crease. These do take a little bit of time and love and care to blend. And that could just be because the brushes are a bit worn down. Because I remember these brushes being amazing when I first got them. But just take your time and you will get there. Next I'm going to grab this small little pencil brush and I'm going to pop the matte colour of Taurus on the outer V. And when you're looking like a failed drag queen, because they are absolutely talented and I don't know how the fuck they do it, because I certainly can't, I'm going to use a little cotton bud and some micellar water to just clean up the edges. Oh fuck my life. So that I can add the wings and then add the lashes because, oh, I forgot to do a pop of colour, Jesus. Boy, I'm crazy. So I think for a big bright colour, fuck it, I'm gonna go with Aquarius. It's just this big gold pigment and it's beautiful and I love it. I'm gonna be real here though, I can't believe I didn't try this colour before because I am in love. It is so pretty. Fuck, the fallout's insane. Gotta just clean that up and go back in and just blend it out a little bit. I love this. I love this so much. Have I saved the eyes? Who knows? I'm sure I did okay. But now I'm going to throw a little bit of a lighter gold into the inner corners just to make it pop. So for that I'm going to take Nylon by MAC because that is a highlighter with some warm undertones and it is beautiful. I love it. So I'm going to throw that in. And now to put on liner and then lashes that are going to cover up all the hard work I put into my upper eyelids. So I'm using the NYX Epic Ink Liner. I love this so much, it's so good. But be careful, it does bleed a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to focus it on the outside first, then work my way towards the wing and then do the inside. I prefer to use black pencils, black kohl pencils for the inner corner and stuff because they smudge less. I'm sure it'll be fine. It'll be fine. I'm used to doing this. We'll be okay. Do you know what? That was an acceptable wing. And you know what? Those wings aren't looking too bad. I actually prefer this one to this one for once. I always fuck these up horribly and I'm really happy with these. So without further ado, time to just throw on some mascara and then throw on lashes. Gonna do the mascara quickly and I'll be back in a sec. I'm not sure if you can see, but I took some of the eyeliner and smudged it underneath my eye. But if you look at the very inner corner, it is bleeding a little bit. I'm not sure how much you can see it, but yeah, just to let you guys know that's why I usually use a black kohl eye pencil or just a black eye pencil in general. That's much better. For lashes, I'm going to use my very favorite pair of lashes. I've worn them so many times. They're called Dubai and they're by Sosu. I've just cut off the top so it fits into my little lash box. And basically I love them. They are like short on the, they're like short on the inside and they go long on the outside. They're super wispy and gorgeous. There's a band. They're big, in your face lashes. I love them and they will cover up any mistake you make. They don't seem to sell them anymore, which makes me really upset. I can't find this exact type, so if you know anywhere that sells them, let me know. In Cork or Limerick in Ireland preferably. Yeah, I wish I'd stocked up on these back when I had money and when I saw them. But at the time I hadn't really worn lashes. I just kind of bought these as an experiment. So how is it that this eye looks bomb as fuck and this eye is just awkward and uncomfortable? Shit! Oh, that's a weird feeling. So look, after that struggle, putting on lashes is the skill I want, but not the skill I apparently deserve because, oh my god, this eye was easy. This eye was just like, nah, nah. Oh, my teeth are very yellow. Gross. So I am now going to put lipstick on. I was going to say brush my lips. I don't know what the fuck I'm saying. I forgot to do my hair. I'm not bothered. I'm just going to leave it down and fluff it up and just make it messy. That's a goth look, right? For lips, I'm using Lust Extract by MAC. And yes, putting it on my lips. It is lipstick. Hello. That was really weird. Not gonna lie, but this was definitely a huge glow up. Here is my goth queen look. Oh, I should probably clean the makeup off the back of my hand. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Anyway, I hope you liked this look and I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you have an absolutely wonderful evening and I will see you tomorrow. Bye. That was very flamboyant of me. Bye. This is I with like this choker on and this purple lipstick.